3 shot, 2 fatally on Barbican Road in St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police are investigating the fatal shooting on Barbican Road in St. Andrew on Thursday that left 2 people dead and another injured. According to reports, a female shopkeeper was at her business establishment with 2 male customers when 2 armed men rode up on motorcycles. The assailants opened gunfire, hitting all 3 in the shop. The area was cordoned off for most of the day in order to secure the scene of the crime. The woman that was slain in the double murder died 2 months after her son was killed at the same location. The female that was killed at this location was a mother who witnessed her son's murder along Barbican Road in St. Andrew some 2 months ago, was the target of the deadly attack that claimed her life along with a man at the same location. Ashley McCarry, who reportedly knew she was marked for death, was one of 3 people who were shot around 1 p.m. on Thursday by a man traveling on a motorcycle. Investigators theorized that Thursday's double shooting and murder was an act of reprisal at play because of another murder that occurred in the St. Andrew South Police Division at a school last month. Links 007 TV had reported that 36-year-old Deshaun Newry, a taxi operator of Barbican Road address, was killed on November the 15th when he dropped off his child at the entrance of the Rossies Primary School on Ricketts Avenue. The female that was killed on Barbican Road was very vocal about her son's killing, hit out at the killers, and then the murder at the school took place. The deceased in the incident has ties to the community, and so she knew she was under the radar. She was reluctant to leave the space, saying it was her community and she won't leave and always hang out there. A senior investigator with knowledge of the probe told reporters. Macari's son, the female that was killed in the Barbican shooting, son, is reportedly to be buried tomorrow. A man listed this week in the Jamaica Constabulary Force's Wanted Wednesdays campaign is being sought for her son's murder. He is Demar Bullybeef Gringham, who is said to frequent Barbican Road. The man killed in Thursday's fatal shooting has been identified as Tresha Rockwood of Kentire Papine address, who was said to be a customer at the shop at the time of the shooting. The area where the double murder occurred is known as Andrews Pen. This community has been impacted by gang violence for years, and a makeshift police post was set up at the entrance. Links 007 TV News understands that enhanced security measures are expected to be deployed to the area to curtail any further fallout. The St. Andrew North Police Division has recorded a 9% increase in murders and 3% increase in shooting year on year as of November 30th. Meanwhile, Macari's murder follows a string of homicides in Jamaica involving female victims during the 16th-day observance of Awareness of Violence Against Women, and highlights the importance of efforts to prevent such violence. The United Nations International Day of Elimination of Violence Against Women is observed annually across the globe beginning on November 25th. The last 5 years saw crime scene investigators in Jamaica probing murders of 619 women, as Jamaica averaged 124 such homicides each year from 2019 to 2023, according to a data published by the Statistical Institute of Jamaica. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.